we're gonna focus on the E minor scale, which is basically the same as the G major. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, everyone. I hope everybody's doing great today. So, my name is Kalin. I've been a guitarist for over 12 years, and I've got 2 successful bands and a single album. So today we're going to be talking about guitar modes and what string structures. We're going to talk about the circle of fifths and what are guitar modes. First thing that you're going to get is that E minor scale is basically the same scale as G major. It's got the same notes, and it just starts with a different bass note, basically the same scale. Maybe that you have 5 chords in your song, and that usually comes from the circle of fifths. In our example, we're going to choose the G chord, which is very tightly related to the E minor chord, and then we've got the C and the D, which are basically right around them. C is the 4th and D is the 5th chord, and then you've got the 2nd and the 3rd, which are A minor and B minor. And if we play them together, they're going to sound very well because they're going to be in the same sort of tonality of the song. The next type of chords that we're going to focus on are a bit transitional, so they're from E, A, E, B, and you're usually going to hear them right before switching to a different part of the song. And you've got the final one, which is again the D F sharp. So all these on the outside are the notes in the E minor scale. So C, G, D, A, E, B, F sharp. You're going to see them here again. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E, and again F sharp, G. Please leave a like and subscribe. We've got the E minor and G major chord. And you've got the C and the D. Usually the C is the C major. And again the D major. And you have the A minor and B minor as well. Okay, cool. And again, I'll walk you through the different notes from the same scale, from the E minor scale. Okay? So again, C, G, D, A, E, B, F sharp. I'm not going to play them in that order. I'm going to play them in the E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E order. The shape that we're going to be using is the Aeolian shape. And again. Okay, so now you know the circle of fifths. And the second thing that we're going to go through is our guitar modes. So they're like basically different types of scales with the 7 notes. We're going to focus on the E minor scale, which is basically the same as the G major. And it starts with E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E again. Where the first and the last note basically the same, just a higher one. If we've got the root note as an E, that shape is going to be called Aeolian. I'm going to display it somewhere on screen so I can see it. And yeah, we already went through that. So the F sharp one, if we're using that as a root note, we're gonna look at the Locrian shape, and it's gonna look like this. Next one is Ionian with a G as a root note. Then we've got the Dorian with A as a root note. And then we've got the Phrygian with a B as a root note. Then we have the Lydian scale, which starts with a C. And the last one is the Mixolydian scale, and it starts with a D. So these are basically the guitar modes in the E minor scale. Another thing what we can do is play these different shapes, but start with the E as a root note. Yeah, let's play the Aeolian starting from E. Let's play the Locrian starting with E. Okay, let's play the Ionian, which is the major one, starting from E. Okay, let's play the Dorian next, starting from E. Next one is Phrygian. Then we're going to play the Lydian for me. And the last one is the Mixolydian. So you can play around with these and in your own time. Just make sure they're gonna fit in the scale you want. You enjoyed that video, and if you really did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.